Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to see FPS, what are you getting on Roblox macOS. So for that you have to open Roblox and start any game. So while playing the game, press Shift plus F5 while in the game from your keyboard. This will display a stats window in the top left corner of the screen, showing your current FPS along with other performance metrics like latency, etc. etc. So there are some alternate method as well. So it's like if you are developing a testing game on Roblox, so you can view it. It's another method. I'm not gonna talk about it. So if you wanted to use third party, in Apple, it's a bit difficult to use third party, but there is an option which is Frame Meter. It's a free app, but for this app, you have to sign in to your Apple developer page with your Apple ID, and then you have to download the Frame Meter from the developer tools section. Then run Frame Meter, go to the window menu and select Frame Meter. A meter will appear at the bottom left of your screen showing the real FPS and CPU uses. So this was the video. So I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching the video.